Keeping track of your inventory and assets is crucial, but it can be time-consuming and difficult, especially if you're using methods like a paper-based, spreadsheet, or standalone system. Do your current processes lead to stockouts of equipment? How often does manufacturing stop because of this? Is your inventory available to the right people at the right time with full accountability? Hoffmann Group have the solution. With over 100 years' experience supporting manufacturing and a wide range of other industries, we can help you solve these issues. Our range of solutions make us unique, with systems offering different levels of control for almost any product, for stress-free inventory management, whatever the environment. Whether it's inventory in stores, vending at point of use, resource bins in production environments, or assets across your enterprise. We have customers varying in every business size who are all benefiting from increased efficiency, improved accountability, decreased consumption, and reduced costs, all through our inventory management solutions. As a manufacturer and distributor of industrial tooling, equipment, PPE, and consumables, we offer an end-to-end, fully managed service. We make our customers more successful by increasing productivity and simplifying the procurement of industrial tooling and equipment. Let us show you how.